What's going on, y'all? Beautiful day at Drive the Coast. Today we got a 1964 Chevrolet C10. This is a restomod truck. Got an LS1 motor in it with a 4-speed with overdrive transmission. It's a 700 R4. Spent over 100 grand building this truck. Previous owner did. Absolutely beautiful show quality paint. Got power steering, power brakes, vintage air, disc brakes up front, power brakes, power steering. Obviously with the LS1, you got electronic ignition, computer, the whole 9 yards. Short box. Look at the craftsmanship up back here. Got all new bolts, wheel wells, brand new bed kit here. Gas tank's been relocated to the back. Some of the details I want to point out is just how clean the paintwork is. It's got a mirror finish. When they painted it, they took everything off. Take the bed off, take the doors off, take the fenders off, hood, etc. That's the only way to get paint that clean. Body off, resto. See those door jambs? Just perfect. But that's what you're going for when you build a quality car like this. All new rubbers, tilt wheel, new gauges, new stereo. Like I said, the vintage air is in there. Low and cold. Give it a fire up here. It's a cold start. Obviously fuel injected. All gauges working like they should. Let's go take a look under the hood. Yeah, I want to point out that no sag pushing up and down here. Doors fit perfect. You got no Bondo in the drip rails anywhere. Super clean. Glass perfect. All the window stripping is brand new. Here's the LS1. Power disc brakes, aluminum radiator, new battery. So your vintage air stuff. Beautiful ride though. Go 80 miles an hour on the highway all day. Reliably and confidently. We do have nationwide shipping and financing available. Please let me know how I can earn your business. Thanks so much for watching, y'all.